Lisa, hey, this is Chad from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for inquiring about our 2017 Tucson. We have right here the Night Edition, which is the black exterior, the black alloy wheels. We have LED blinkers here on the side. Also have the sunroof that you requested, has a power lift gate, all power interior, has the black interior. I know you specifically mentioned wanting a dark interior, has so many more features, and a blind spot detection, so many other things. One of the most important things about our Tucson, like all of our Hyundais, they come with a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 5 years of roadside assistance, and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's America's best warranty. And then at Tameron, we go above and beyond and double that to 20 years and 200,000 miles. So we would love to get you in this new Tucson. Please give me a call. Again, my name is Chad at 380-6250. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.